Today I'm gonna show you two completely free tools that are going to seriously level up your trading game. We've got a simple indicator that gives you clear buy and sell signals right on your chart. And we've got another one that helps us ride the market's momentum, so we're trading with the trend, not fighting against it. First things first, you gotta open up TradingView.com. Once you're there, just pull up a chart. It can be anything you like to trade: crypto, forex, stocks, whatever. Then pick a time frame you're comfortable with. Got it? Cool. Okay, let's get the first indicator on our chart. Head up to the Indicators tab at the top. In the search bar, type in backtest signal EMA cross. That's the one. Click on it and it'll pop right onto your chart. This is a fantastic tool, especially when you're just starting out, because it literally prints buy and sell signals for you. So, how does it work? Basically, it uses two moving average lines. When the faster line crosses above the slower one, boom, you got a buy signal. And when it crosses below, you get a sell signal. Super simple, right? It tells you exactly when to think about getting into a trade. But here's the million-dollar question. Can we just trade these signals blindly and get rich? Absolutely not. And let me show you why. Take a look at this. See the sell signal right there? The indicator is telling us to sell, but the market is clearly in a strong uptrend. Trading that would be a quick way to lose money. That's what we call a false signal, and we need to fix that. But don't worry, the fix is super easy. Just head over to the indicator settings. You can find it by hovering over to its name on the chart and clicking that little gear icon. Now in the Inputs tab, you'll see two EMA options. The first one, EMA 1, we're going to change that from 10 to 45. And the second one, EMA 2, we're changing that from 20 to 90. What we're doing here is basically telling the indicator to look at a bigger chunk of time, which helps filter out all those noise and give us much more reliable signals. Okay, so look at what happened on the Bitcoin 15-minute chart after we made those changes. Right here, the lines cross, a buy signal prints on the chart. We take that trade and boom, a solid 13% gain. Not bad. Let's keep going. A little while later, we get a crossing to downside, a sell signal. We take that one, and that's another 22% profit. Just scroll back and see how it did. Look at that, over just 6 signals, that's a 95% total gain. That's insane, right? But this is a big but. We can make this strategy even safer and more powerful. I'm gonna give you a momentum indicator that acts like our final confirmation. It makes sure we're always trading with the flow of the market. And for that, we're gonna use an indicator called MACD. So head back up to the Indicators tab one more time, search for MACD and add it to your chart. And yeah, of course, this one's completely free too. Now, here's the trick. By default, the MACD tries to give you its own buy and sell signals. We don't want that. We're going to transform it from a signal indicator into a pure momentum checker. Here's how. Go into the MACD settings. First, in the Inputs tab, find the time frame setting. You want to set this to one time frame higher than the chart you're looking at. So, for example, since we're on the 5-minute chart here, I'll set the MACD's time frame to 15 minutes. Next, change the fast link to 100 and the slow link to 200. Now, hop over to the Style tab. We're going to clean this up. Find the histogram and change its style to area. I like to make my colors a nice bright green and red. Then, this is super important. Uncheck the boxes for MACD and signal line. We want those off our chart completely. Alright, that's it. What you have now is a perfect confirmation tool. It's simple. Green means market has bullish upward momentum. Red means it has bearish downward momentum. So, how do we actually trade with this? The rules couldn't be easier. When our first indicator gives you a buy signal, you just glance down at your new MACD. If the area is green, that's your final confirmation. That's a high probability trade you can feel good about taking. And if you get a sell signal, you guess it, you look down at the MACD. If the area is red, that's your green light to take the sell trade. What happens if you get a buy signal but the MACD is red? You skip it. If you get a sell signal but the MACD is green, you ignore it. You just stay out. The simple filter is what will save you from so many bad trades. And that's really the core of the strategy. But listen, having a great entry is only half the battle. Knowing how to manage your risk and take profit is what separates losing trades from winning ones. I break down all my risk management strategy on my second channel. So, if you're ready to learn the crucial piece of the puzzle, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you over there.